Hey everyone, welcome back to Boundless with Shalu. Today I'm diving into a Korean skincare brand that has slowly but surely made its way into my Holy Grail collection, and the brand is Haru Haru Wonder. If you haven't tried anything from them yet, let me just say that this brand is slept on. Their focus on fermented black rice, gentle ingredients, and science backed skincare makes them an underrated gem, especially for sensitive, combination, and dehydrated skin like mine. This brand is all about minimalist, clean beauty, and their secret weapon, the fermented black rice, a rich antioxidant source that helps nourish and protect the skin barrier. But it's not just about skincare results. Haru Haru Wonder is also a vegan, cruelty free brand that really cares about the planet. They are committed to reducing their environmental footprint. All their packaging is made from 100% recycled FSC grade paper, and they print using eco-friendly soy ink. I love supporting the brands that are mindful not only of what goes on our skin, but also how their products impact the environment. So in today's video, I will be sharing my top 5 Haru Haru Wonder products, and I will walk you through the essential ingredients, texture and feel, how each product applies, and of course, why I personally love them with a few honest pros and cons. Let's get started. Let's start with the most iconic product from Haru Haru Wonder, their Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner. This one is for sensitive skin and it's free of alcohol and fragrance. It comes in this sleek, semi transparent plastic bottle that feels sturdy and minimal on your shelf. You get 150 ml of product, and the price usually ranges between $18 to $22 depending on where you shop. I often find it on sale around $16, which makes it a really good value for high performance toner. It also comes in 300 ml bottle that retails for around $32. So now let's see what are the key ingredients in this toner. It has fermented 100% Korean grown black rice extract that restores elasticity, brightens and calms inflammation. It has betaine and amino acids that help condition and strengthen the skin barrier. Beta-glucan and hyaluronic acid provide deep hydration and boost moisture retention. It has this slightly viscous, silky texture, not too watery but still lightweight. It absorbs quickly and leaves the skin feeling instantly refreshed, plump and smooth. There's no stickiness, no residue, just calm, hydrated skin. This toner instantly moisturizes and preps the skin for better absorption of other serums and creams in your routine. This toner is hypoallergenic, safe even for sensitive skin. It helps relieve tightness and dryness in the inner layers of your skin. It restores the elasticity with continued use. It soothes irritation while giving the skin a subtle glow. Now, this toner is my go to after cleansing, especially when my skin feels stripped or irritated. It gives me that first drink of hydration and really preps my skin for everything that follows. I especially love how it soothes my redness and makes my skin feel bouncy and ready for serums. Next up is a product I recommend to literally everyone who wants to repair and strengthen their skin barrier. This is the Black Rice Probiotics Barrier Essence, and it's a skin saver. It comes in a matte finish ombre bottle, simple and elegant, and contains 120 ml of product. Price wise, it's usually around $28, but I have seen it on sale as low as $18 to $21 on Yes Style and other K beauty retailers. It lasts a long time because you only need a small amount per use. Now, the key ingredients in this essence are fermented black rice and bamboo shoot bark extracts that helps restore elasticity, calm, and soothe your skin. It has galactomyces ferment filtrate that improves skin elasticity and hydration. It also has bifida ferment filtrate rich in antioxidants that improves skin tone and texture. Panthenol locks in moisture and soothes your skin. Black rice extract brightens and refines skin texture. It has 5 ceramides plus 5 healthy fatty acids and 2 cholesterol complex, essential for reinforcing and maintaining the skin barrier in a scientifically backed 3:1:1 ratio. Sunflower seed oil, meadowfoam oil, shea butter, ginseng root extract, they nourish and provide a protective lipid layer. This essence has a patented microparticle delivery system that reduces the particle size so that active ingredients absorb faster and more effectively. Texture of this essence is a creamy emulsion-like consistency that feels like a cross between a serum and a moisturizer. You do need to shake the bottle well before use because the formula tends to separate like the traditional Korean rice wine. Once applied, it melts into the skin beautifully without leaving any greasiness. So, what are the benefits of this essence? It strengthens a damaged or sensitive skin barrier. It deeply hydrates while improving the texture and elasticity of the skin. It helps soothe inflammation and restore moisture balance. Now, this essence is fragrance free and dermatologically tested for all skin types. It's best for compromised or sensitive skin, dull, textured, or fatigued skin, and also dehydrated skin needing bounce and protection. It's also good for post retinol or exfoliation repair. This essence has been a true healing step in my routine, especially when my skin feels off, whether it's after too much exfoliation, travel, or just stress. I love that it combines probiotics, ceramides, and natural extracts in a single step. The creamy texture feels comforting, and I actually notice a visible glow and improved bounce the next day. The only thing to remember is that to shake it well before every use or the texture might feel uneven. But honestly, that's part of the charm. It's like a traditional Korean skincare meets fermentation ritual. If you have been retinol curious or terrified of peeling and purging, then this one is made for you. This is the Black Rice Night Night Retinol Serum. It's a gentle but effective nighttime treatment that brings together the best of clinical and natural actives. You get 20 ml of product in a matte, airless pump bottle made of lightweight plastic. It's compact, hygienic, and protects the retinol from light and air. It typically retails for around $22, and because you only use a tiny amount, it can last several weeks even with regular use. Key ingredient in this serum is 0.08% retinol. Microencapsulated for slow release, it increases the cell turnover, minimizes breakouts and clogged pores, firms the skin and softens wrinkles. It has patented Bakuchiol 1%, a gentle plant-based retinol alternative that boosts collagen and elasticity and reduces fine lines for great for sensitive skin. It also has fermented black rice extract, which is rich in antioxidants, revitalizes tired skin, and calms irritation. It has sunflower seed oil that nourishes and helps lock in moisture. Ceramide NP reinforces the skin barrier and helps prevent moisture loss. Adenosine smooths fine lines and improves elasticity. Bamboo bark extract and ginseng root extract add extra soothing and revitalizing properties. Now, texture of this serum is a light, creamy lotion texture that feels luxurious and non-greasy. It glides on smoothly and absorbs quickly without any stickiness. It layers beautifully under moisturizers and doesn't pill or feel heavy. Apply a pea-sized amount onto cleansed and toned skin at night, avoiding the eye and mouth area. Start with 1 to 2 times per week, then gradually increase to nightly use as your skin builds tolerance. It's not suitable for pregnancy or breastfeeding. Always follow with sunscreen during the day. Now, this serum improves firmness and elasticity and texture of your skin. It refines pores and prevents breakouts. It brightens dull, uneven skin tone. It also moisturizes and calms with soothing ingredients present in it. It's safe for sensitive skin, especially those new to retinol. Now, this serum is best for beginners looking to try retinol without any harsh side effects of retinol. It's for sensitive or reactive skin types. People who are targeting fine lines, uneven skin texture, or early signs of aging. This retinol serum really impressed me. It's one of the few retinol formulas that didn't irritate my sensitive skin. There is no redness, no dryness, just smoother and clearer skin over time. The inclusion of bakuchiol is such a smart move. It works with the retinol rather than against it. And I genuinely wake up to a glowier, more refined complexion when I use this serum. It's a go-to for my nighttime skincare routine now. Honestly, the only thing is the small size, that 20 ml size bottle of this serum, which might not feel like much, but because it's so potent and you only need a tiny bit, a bottle still lasts a good while. Also, remember to build it up slowly, especially if it's your first time using retinol. Okay, let's talk about my favorite cream from Haru Haru Wonder, and honestly, it's one of my favorite Korean moisturizers ever. This is their Centella Phyto and 5 Peptide Concentrate Cream, and it's a powerhouse multitasker that hits hydration, barrier repair, anti-aging, and brightening all in one sleek little jar. It comes in a 30 ml frosted plastic jar with a copper-toned lid and a removable green inner tub. Haru Haru Wonder actually designed this with sustainability in mind. You can buy the refill inserts instead of replacing the entire jar, which I love. It feels luxe and minimal. You can find it priced around $24, even less during sales around $21 on Yes Style or Style Korean. And let me tell you, a little goes a long way. Now let's see what are the key ingredients in this cream. It has 5 peptide complex that helps improve skin firmness, elasticity, and reduce fine lines. It has hydrolyzed soy and pea proteins that deeply moisturize and help minimize wrinkles. Squalane prevents moisture loss and enhances skin smoothness. It also has caffeine that depuffs and revives dull skin. Adenosine clinically proven to soften wrinkles and improve elasticity. It has Centella asiatica extract that calms irritation, promotes skin healing. Medicaicide, asiaticoside, and ceramides NP strengthen and restore the skin barrier. It also has copper tripeptide 1 and acetyl hexapeptide 8 that improves firmness and tone over time. The texture is this silky, rich, but not heavy cream that melts into the skin. It leaves a soft, supple finish that's more dewy than greasy, and it layers well with serums and sunscreen. For my combination sensitive skin, it's honestly the perfect balance. This is all in one care for hydration, firmness, and brightening. It helps with fine lines, sagging, dullness, and dehydration. It reinforces the skin barrier and deeply moisturizes the skin. Now, this cream is free of silicones, drying alcohols, and artificial fragrance. It's clinically tested for sensitive skin, so no irritation here. This cream is best for anyone looking for a complete solution in one cream, or anyone who has sensitive, mature skin that needs hydration and elasticity. If you have tired, dull, or dehydrated skin, then this cream is best for you. And it's even for them that want results without layering so many products. Now, this is the cream I reach for when I want my skin to bounce back overnight. It truly gives that well rested, fresh faced look by morning. The mix of peptides, Centella, is just perfect for calming while working on firmness. I honestly feel like my skin looks smoother and less irritated the next day, and for me, that's huge. If you have oily skin and live in super humid climate, this might feel a bit rich during the daytime. But even then, it makes a fantastic night cream. It's fragrance free, rich in actives, and the peptide profile is impressive for the price point. Now let's wrap up with the most essential step in any routine, and that is sunscreen. And Haru Haru Wonder absolutely nailed it with their Black Rice Moisture Airy Fit Daily Sunscreen. The sunscreen comes in a sunny yellow 50 ml pump tube that feels clean, hygienic, and super easy to control. I love that it's not a squeeze tube but a pump, which makes daily use so much easier and mess free. It typically retails for around $18 to $22, and because it's so lightweight and spreadable, one bottle lasts a good while. So, the key ingredients are 100% Korean black rice extract and rice bran oil packed with vitamin E, antioxidants, and deeply hydrating properties. It has ceramide NP that strengthens the skin barrier and locks in moisture. Hartley for Hotunia cordata extract calms redness and irritation, perfect for sensitive skin. It also has niacinamide that brightens dull skin and prevents moisture loss. Adenosine targets fine lines and boosts elasticity. Sunflower and daisy flower extracts, moringa seed oil nourish and soothe the skin. It offers high broad spectrum SPF 50 plus PA4 pluses protection. It has velvety, non-greasy, zero white cast finish. It's fragrance-free and free of irritants like drying alcohol, mineral oil, phenoxyethanol, and silicones. It's reef-safe, non-toxic, and GMO-free. Now, this is great for daily wear, even for sensitive or acne-prone skin. It's best for all skin types, including sensitive, oily, or combination skin. This sunscreen is for those who want a hydrating sunscreen that also calms and brightens the skin, and for daily sunscreen wearers who hate heavy or sticky finishes. Now, this sunscreen is hands down one of my top daily picks. It's everything I want in an SPF. There is no scent, no white cast, no greasiness, and packed with skin loving ingredients. I especially love that it doubles as a light moisturizer on humid days, and it plays really well under makeup. If you hate thick, chalky sunscreens, then you will love this one. For any downsides, honestly, I have tried hard to find one and couldn't. If anything, the tube might run out faster than expected if you are reapplying throughout the day, but it's totally worth it for how comfortable and breathable it feels on the skin. So, those were my top 5 favorite Haru Haru Wonder products. Each one handpicked because it delivers real results without compromising on ingredients, texture, or safety. From their eco conscious packaging to their vegan, fragrance free formulas, I feel like this brand truly gets what sensitive skin needs. If you're looking to simplify your routine without sacrificing performance, Haru Haru Wonder is so worth trying. Let me know in the comments which product caught your eye. Have you tried anything from Haru Haru Wonder before? And don't forget, if you want to support my channel, you can use my Yes Style code for a little discount. I will leave all the product links in the description below, so feel free to check them out. Until then, take care, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.